Over the past 3 years, the Anoka County Statewide Health Improvement Partnership, or SHIP, has been working to create healthier communities across the county by expanding opportunities for active living, healthy eating, and tobacco-free living. First, let's explore the healthy eating strategy. SHIP has been working with community partners to increase access to fresh produce for all Anoka County residents and provide support for cooking healthy meals. SHIP has 22 community partners working on the healthy eating strategy, including food shelves, emergency food systems, community meals, farms, and faith organizations. And together, they have increased access to healthier food options for almost 20,000 people each year of the grant on average. One of the community partners we've worked with is the St. Philip's Lutheran Church Community Meal and Food Shelf. Anoka County SHIP met with St. Philip's to assess their current program and determine what changes could help them provide more healthy food options to the clients they served. St. Philip's was interested in some food safety trainings and was in need of a few pieces of equipment that would help them be able to serve fresh items such as produce, milk, and eggs.
People come in and they see the fresh produce and the milk and butter and fresh products, and it gives them a choice. They have a choice for not only canned goods that they use every day, but fresh stuff. So it's something that benefits them, and they love it.
SHIP is promoting increased physical activity by working with community partners to provide education, resources, and support to individuals wanting to include physical activity in their daily routines. In the last 3 years, SHIP has partnered with 5 different cities in Anoka County and with the libraries and parks and recreation departments to increase opportunities for walking and biking throughout the county.
Anoka County Parks and Recreation Department, we came up with the idea to purchase and provide fat tire biking programs. And it just was a nice opportunity for us to provide programming all year round. We literally have programs scheduled every month of the year because, of course, we can use the fat tire bikes on snow, packed snow conditions, and of course during warmer weather. But for us, as a programmer, it's really nice to be able to have an activity that I can provide all year round. Yeah, so the SHIP funding allowed us to purchase, number one, fat tire bikes. We purchased 12 fat tire bikes. We purchased an enclosed trailer and the storage rack, so we're able to store all of our fat tire bikes and equipment in that enclosed trailer, which is huge because that allows us to be mobile. We can take those bikes anywhere we need to go in the county. Our hope is to obviously get more people biking, but as we introduce them to this fat tire biking program, of course it gets them out, so we want them to be outside more and active. But that there are, I always like to introduce and show people that there are a lot of things to do in Minnesota year-round. Fat tire biking will hopefully kind of start showing folks, not only the participants that are in the program, but also as we're out biking around and people see us biking, hey, you know, they see that and hopefully they come to a class, but they say, hey, here's a way that people are outside and being active. So we hope to start changing that a little bit and introducing more of that to the community.
In addition to the community at large, SHIP is also supporting the health of employees in the workplace. 16 work sites throughout the county have partnered with SHIP and established their own wellness committees, supporting the health of almost 2,000 employees across the county through healthy eating, physical activity, breastfeeding, and tobacco-free initiatives. One of these partners is Alexandra House, an advocacy and shelter provider for victims of violence in the North Metro.
So Alexandra House started looking at having a wellness initiative because staff were coming and asking leadership to help. And so that is why we started looking at a wellness initiative and what could that look like. And we were lucky enough that SHIP was available to help kind of to be the seed for that program. Without the SHIP program, I'm not sure that our wellness program would have started when it did. We were able to bring fit boxes, which were exercise equipment, healthy lifestyle activities like our farmers market vouchers to go purchase food that's healthy, and we used it with our Vitamix blenders and taught some healthy cooking, and we're able to bring in things that staff could use, and we did them here as a team, so it brought team building into that. We were also able to create a well room relaxation room, mother's room, that wasn't a dedicated space previous. We have a very busy advocate area in our shelter, so they could actually get away from that. Come in and color, do some exercises, do some stretching, or if they were a new mom, they could come and pump, and it was just away from their desk. So that was a really nice thing that we were able to finally offer that we hadn't even had the resources for before.
SHIP has partnered with schools to impact over 18,000 students per year across 33 schools in 6 districts through healthy eating and physical activity initiatives, including farm to school, nutrition education, and activity in classrooms and at recess. We worked closely with Fridley School District to increase access to fruits and vegetables in the cafeteria.
One of the things we're really just emphasizing with our students is the importance of fruits and vegetables. So in our cafeteria, we have these beautiful graphics that SHIP was able to help us with. We have a new salad bar at the middle school. This is its 2nd year. So all our students have access to salad every day with lots of different fruits and veggies. When we start planning our lunch menus, we're really focusing on bringing local and whole foods back onto our menu. But with that, there is definitely a skills gap for being able to process those foods. And so we felt that like a culinary training would be really important for our staff to be able to get them to feel really confident with their knife skills, with being able to roast vegetables. And so looking to SHIP, we were able to fund some of those trainings to get our staff really on board and feeling confident about the veggies that they could provide to our students.
In addition to supporting the cafeteria, SHIP also helped create active recess alternatives for the special education classrooms at Fridley.
We have special ed students who, for whatever reason, cannot go outside, or they are not interested in participating in those activities because they have different interests, different needs as far as that's concerned. So what I decided to do was to figure out what things we could do for indoor recess day. We can have them do activities inside. Well, as with all kids, activity is important. Recess is an important part of the day for all the students. But for special ed kids in particular, some of them need more breaks during the day. They need more time away from the class in order to reset, to be able to perform and achieve and be successful in their regular classrooms. It helps keep them active so that when they do go back to classes, they're able to concentrate and do their work.
Anoka County SHIP also works with behavioral and primary care clinics to connect almost 13,000 patients per year to community resources to address nutrition, activity, food insecurity, and tobacco use.
So SHIP has been instrumental in helping us provide tobacco treatment services to our consumers in Anoka County and through our Coon Rapids clinic called Family Life. And they've provided resources and helped us get our staff trained at the Mayo Clinic and provided a CO monitor, a carbon monoxide monitor for us to use. Every time we're able to collaborate with an external partner, we gain more knowledge and input from that partner, and SHIP has certainly been able to provide us with resources such as funding, education, carbon monoxide monitors, and just like I said, that partnership has been so key.
In addition to supporting smoking cessation in healthcare settings, SHIP also works to reduce secondhand smoke exposure through our partnerships with multi-unit housing communities. We've partnered with the American Lung Association to help properties implement smoke-free policies and provide resources to residents to help them quit using tobacco. Through the 20 partnerships that have been formed since 2016, SHIP has helped these facilities develop and implement 13 new tobacco-free policies while providing support for pre-existing policies, resulting in a positive impact on the health of over 4,000 residents in Anoka County.
So Parkview Villa had a smoke-free policy that said that you had to be 25 feet from the building in order to smoke. And we wanted to increase that distance because smoke was drifting into the windows and people couldn't enjoy the outdoors. It was really helpful to get some signs in order to mark exactly where that distance was. once we had that, a lot of people stopped asking.
Well, I've noticed that the people are happy that the signs are up, and I live on the first floor down by where most of the smokers go, and now that the sign is up, they know to be on the other side of the rocks. So the signs are working. They definitely are working.
The statewide Health Improvement Partnership is making a difference in our community by building strong relationships with community members and using evidence-based strategies to eliminate tobacco use and promote healthy eating and physical activity. SHIP in Anoka County has partnered with 90 organizations since 2016, including schools, cities, businesses, apartment owners and managers, farmers, community groups, senior organizations, clinics, faith communities, and many more to create better health across the county.